Hello viewers, a lot of users actually eagerly waited to buy iPad 11th generation during Freedom Sale in Flipkart and Amazon.in. But unfortunately the price did not decrease, and recently Apple has increased the price up to 15,000, as a result of which the base variant is selling at a price point of 45,000 rupees, which is huge. So if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation during Big Billion Days sale, then you might be disappointed because the price will not come down to 30,000. Rather, you may get it around 35 to 36 or 38,000 rupees maximum. So should you buy iPad 11th generation at that price? iPad 11th generation is an entry-level iPad with A16 Bionic chipset, which is very powerful. You can get a very good multimedia experience, as the screen quality of iPad 11th generation is top-notch. Though it is a non-laminated display, yet you will feel that you are using a high-end tablet or iPad. If you are a content creator, in that case you will definitely have a very good time editing videos on iPad 11th generation, because video rendering in 4K 60 fps will be easily done on iPad 11th generation. But if you want to edit a video of about 30 minutes in 4K 60 fps, in that case you will feel some stutter or lag, or there might be a rendering issue. Playing games on iPad 11th generation is a treat. You can play every game on iPad 11th generation, and the gaming experience is top-notch on this iPad, so you will not feel any hiccups or lags while playing games. The battery life is also very good on iPad 11th generation. In current iPadOS 26.6, I am getting around 7 to 8 hours SOT on a single charge, which is not bad. And after 2 years, the battery health of my iPad is around 92%. Also, you will get regular software updates on iPad 11th generation. So after every update, you will feel that you are using a new iPad, and new features will be added and bugs will be fixed. And we all know that Apple pushes very good updates, and the update cycle is very regular and frequent. Also, multitasking is very good on iPad 11th generation. You can use too many apps simultaneously. In the conclusion, if you are planning to buy a tablet or an iPad, and if you want to use that iPad for 3 to 4 years, in that case iPad 11th generation is a very good iPad. And in Big Billion Days sale, if you get this iPad to buy at around 35 to 38,000 price bracket, I think it is a very good deal considering the current price point. Due to shortage of semiconductor chip, all tablets are on the higher side in terms of pricing. In the coming days, I will give you detailed price details about this iPad 11th generation, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.